In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files between folders in Dropbox. This can be a handy skill whether you're organizing your digital workspace or simply need to relocate some files for easier access. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, log into your Dropbox account by navigating to dropbox.com in your web browser. Enter your login credentials and access your main dashboard. This is your command center where you can see all files and folders stored in your Dropbox account. Now locate the folder that contains the file or folder you wish to move. You can do this easily by browsing through the directory structure on the left side of your screen, or if you have a large number of files, you might find using the search bar more efficient. Simply type in part of the file or folder's name, and Dropbox will list potential matches for you. Once you've found the file or folder you need to move, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a small set of options appear, including an ellipsis or 3 dots. This ellipsis is a drop-down menu that gives you more actions you can perform. Go ahead and click on this ellipsis. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Move. Select this to initiate the relocation process. Dropbox will now allow you to choose a destination for your file or folder. Spend a moment thinking about where this item logically belongs in your directory to keep your files organized and easy to find. You'll see a list of your existing folders where you can move your selected item. If you don't see the exact folder, simply navigate through your folders or even create a new folder to suit your organizational needs. Once you've decided where it should go, choose that destination folder. Finally, after selecting the destination, confirm your action by clicking the Move button. Your file or folder will now be safely relocated to the new spot you've selected. And that's it, you have successfully moved a file or folder within Dropbox. This simple process can be repeated as needed, making organization a breeze. By keeping your files well organized in Dropbox, you not only ensure easier access, but also maintain a tidy workspace that can enhance your overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Dropbox files more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and walkthroughs. Until next time.